Today we are going to beat my Arrma Mojave GROM speed record. The most I've gotten so far is 81 kilometers an hour, which is already very good, but I think we can absolutely destroy that today. Oh. To achieve our goal of setting a new record, I'm going to 3D print some awesome custom parts for the Arrma Mojave and then do some DIY upgrades, let's call them. This is my Arrma Mojave and it is of course the BLX version, so it is brushless and 3S. This car is an absolute beast, but today it's going to be even more beastier. Just so you guys know, it is 100% stock. The only thing I changed is I added a red fan in there, just because it likes to overheat quite a bit. But excluding that, it is 100% stock. This is the design that we're going to be using today. It is just a massive wheelie bar because this Mojave has a huge problem with wheelies. It just pulls wheelies randomly and it causes the car to fly off and crash pretty much. So hopefully this should solve that. This is what the files look like and it's only going to take around 2 hours. I will choose some different colors than this. This is kind of boring. But anyway, let's go print them.
The time of your life.
And there we go. I chose some colors that match the car pretty well. We've got a nice lime green, some blue wheels on the back, and the rest is just black. I think it's going to fit the car perfectly. I'm not really sure how to put this together as the files online have no instruction, but I'll just wing it. Judging by the files online, just the photos, I think this is how you're meant to do it, but I'm not very sure. Now, just so you guys know, I will leave a link in the description to the files that I used, if you want to do the same for yours, because I think this wheelie bar is going to help a lot when it's out at high speeds. It does also have multiple mounting holes here, so it is pretty adjustable as well. Overall, just a very nice design. First piece is on, now the other side. There we go, second piece is on. Now we've got to get this brace thing here. I am using some very long screws as these 3D printed parts have a habit of pulling them out. There's just not much to thread them into. So the longer the better. There we go, and this design actually looks really good. It's very strong, that is super rigid now. I hope it's going to survive the top speed run, but I'm not sure. Last two screws are in and the wheels do actually spin on the back as well. That's great to see. Now just to get it onto the car, then we're good to go. I am going to get a little bit longer screws in here as well, just to compensate for the new part on the back. There we go. I think that looks absolutely sick. Although the angle here is a bit too big. As you can see, the wheelie bar is hitting the ground before the car. So we've got to adjust these holes here. Now it's looking absolutely perfect. And the last thing is, I don't think you can get the body on with this on the back. Yeah, we're hitting the body on these two bits here that are sticking out. So let me just cut these off. One. And two. And now... still not perfect, but I think that's good enough. I just think that looks absolutely epic. I mean, wow. I did not think it's going to turn out this good. I think I printed the perfect colors. It just looks beautiful. Let's get the battery in and see if we need to lower it. This body is just getting harder and harder to take off the more I have the car. Okay, battery is in. Now just the body. Can we lower that anymore? I feel like if we do, it might hit on some stones. And that's not very good. I mean, just look how low the car is already. I think any more and it's gonna hit a stone and go flying. If we do not beat our speed record, I do have one more trick left, so stay tuned to see that. But for now, I think it's time to go outside and see what I can do. Wait, I don't know how to drive.
Concrete.
And here we are. We definitely have quite a nice location. Lots of very straight, flat and smooth road, which is the most important, especially for little cars like these. I think this should be a perfect spot. I am using a Spectrum 2200 mAh 3S battery, so this should unlock the maximum power of this car. So let's find out how fast it really goes. We have the wheelie bar dragging all the time for maximum downforce. That is loud. This is just a quick little test run to get the steering trim in and some other stuff like that. Not too bad. I actually think that it shouldn't be dragging on the ground all the time. Yeah, I'm gonna try and lift that up somehow. Okay, I just raised the shock collar. Nope, still a little bit less though. It only hits it on the bumps really. Okay, this is maximum raised, so the rear shocks cannot go any higher than this. Okay, it has fixed a lot of the dragging. It only drags when I accelerate. It's a lot better. Okay, I think that's pretty good. A few more passes, then we're gonna do the speed run. That was like half throttle. This is gonna be so uncontrollable. I'm actually just gonna turn down the steering rate as well, so there's more control. Very nice. Okay, let's get the speedometer on and go for the first speed run. I just cut out some plastic inside of the body and stuck it in there. I think that is a very good place. No air resistance and it's pretty low down to the ground, so very good. Okay, this is the first real go. I'm just gonna go into the app here and hit start. Okay, so it's testing now. Let's go for it before I waste any more battery. Oh, controller's off. Now, first the real run. I'm gonna start over there. This is kind of stressful, honestly. Let's go. Ooh! Ouch. I think it's fine though. I'm actually gonna stand in the street. I have a better view from here. Oh, car coming. Okay, take two. Oh my god, guys, I just noticed that the mic disconnected, and if you didn't know, the car crashed. I don't think I even got the shot, like recorded it crashing. Wheelie bar is off, car is upside down. What even happened here? Looks like the wheelie bar just broke here, don't know if you can see. And then the rest of that piece is still on the car. Oh god. And then I also missed a shot. Come on. There's not even any evidence of it crashing. This sucks. Okay, well, let's see what speed we got at least. Maybe we beat the 81 kilometers an hour while flying upside down. So let's hit end and read 73. No new speed record. Damn it. Okay, well, that was a massive failure, but at least the car is still going. I'm gonna lower the car, lower the back and the front. I'm gonna tape the front windshield and go for another run. So then, let's get the back down again as low as we can. I don't want to go too low, because then if I hit a stone, it's just gonna go flying again. I wonder what caused that crash. I guess we're never gonna know, because I didn't record it, but... Okay, both the front and the back is lowered, and now... This is what I was talking about, my magic trick. I'm just gonna cover the front windows and the sides, because that's what made it crash in my opinion. Okay, well this might not be the prettiest thing ever, but if it makes it go faster, I guess it's worth it. Okay, no clue which take this is, but I've got it all taped up, lowered, 100% power. Hopefully it's gonna go better this time. Or I smash into something like I was just about to do. Okay, let's go. Okay, not too bad. Let's go again. This time full power. That was almost full power, but not completely. Okay, that was full power. Jeez, this car sounds insane. It goes like an airplane. Once again. That was a quicker pass. Maybe just 2 more, just to truly push it to the maximum. Oh. That was the maximum, that's for sure. But it's fine, you can go again. This car gets unstable so quickly and it just flies over. Okay, come on. Oh, Jesus Christ. Bro. I should be down there, I think. It's even straighter over there. There's some bumps here. Oh, signal. Okay, maybe just 1 more before I destroy it. That was a good one. That was a long, full pin straight. Okay, last one. Famous last words. Okay, now that's enough. I'm bringing it back and let's see what we got. So, in the SkyRC app, let's hit read. 85! We did it! New record, 85 kilometers an hour. I'm pretty happy with that, especially that we lost the wheelie bar, but still got the record. That's awesome. 85 kilometers an hour without the wheelie bar, all taped up. That is crazy. Imagine that speed for such a little car here. I am really impressed, honestly. And without the wheelie bar. I thought that the wheelie bar is going to be crucial, but only 2 crashes, not too bad. So there we go, 85 kilometers an hour for a little car like that. I think that is insane. I couldn't be any happier. We got the new record. I'm going to save that in my sheet of records, and maybe we're going to beat it next time as well. On the other side though, I am pretty sad that the wheelie bar came off. I really liked how it looked. Maybe I'm going to fix it and take it racing or something, but not very sure. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Bye.